You know, I'm gonna be honest, we got up to this point, I'm like, you know what, I realize that now I have to eat this pizza.
Alright guys, welcome back to Cooking with Coupel. Just want to say Happy New Year's to everyone. This is going to be the first video of the year, and today I have a couple special guests. The inspiration from today's video for the Ghost Pepper Pizza is going to be my best friend, Mr. Scott Ellison. And we are joined by, for the second time, motherfucking Chris Stanley. So as I said, and you saw in the title, today I'm going to be making the spiciest pizza I possibly can using nothing but ghost peppers. I have about a total of 9 ghost peppers that I'm going to be using. I dehydrated a bunch and a bunch are going in the sauce. It's going to be a good time. Doing a lot of cheese. Hey, cheers. Happy New Year's to y'all. It's probably going to be a little bit late, like 2 weeks later. Yeah, I think it's going to be good. So every component of this pizza is going to be hot. I infused some ghost peppers in olive oil. I also dehydrated and blitzed some ghost peppers into a powder. So every single component of this pizza, except for the pepperonis, are going to be really hot. So we're going to kick things off. I'm going to give these guys a couple jobs and see you in a second.
Are you getting paid for this?
Nope. Alright, so I've got some jobs for my boys who want to grate some cheese. The next one gets to have the fun job. Be careful with the knife. Just please separate the tops and the stems. Give it a nice chop. You're going to transfer into that container.
I want to trade. Wow. No.
You guys trade.
What is this device?
Cheese grater, sir. Have you ever grated cheese before?
You want to take it sideways? I have not.
You want me to take it sideways? So what I have here are some whole peeled tomatoes. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start working on the sauce. The first thing I'm going to do is just pulse a few times these canned tomatoes. You don't want your pizza sauce too chunky or too liquidy.
Moist.
So in go.
Moist.
Fuck. Okay, here we go. Looks good to me.
You notice his job was like way easier than ours?
You know I'm gonna regret this stuff, right? You. Cool.
You all done?
Yeah.
Good job.
Do you want me to take over?
Motherfucking cheese.
Sure. That looks like enough cheese. What do you think?
No.
Y'all got a lot of banter. Shredding some cheese. Alright, so I'm going to be working on the tomato sauce. I've got the tomatoes blended. First things first, I've got this set to about a medium-low. We're going to go ahead and add in our ghost pepper infused olive oil and about a tablespoon of butter. Let that melt, let the pan heat up.
Stop! You violated the law.
We'll be making the sauce first, so I can give it time to rest. Most recipes want you to refrigerate it for about a day, but we ain't got a day, so starting this now, and then we'll have fun with the dough afterwards. It might sit for about maybe an hour.
Are you infusing spicy into the dough? Oh man.
Oh, you got one more job.
We have one more job.
I would like you to transfer that cheese into that bowl, and don't use all of it, but use about half of this ghost pepper powder. This is going to be mixed in.
You'll take a shot and not offer it to
That's
you, buddy.
fine. Okay.
That's how you describe this?
Just got hit like hurt, like externally. Part of my neck just started hurting, like on the outside.
Never heard anybody say that. I feel like I got hurt externally. How many times have you been emotionally damaged?
Mix it with your hands to kind of see if it actually sticks together. Oh, actually, that's
Somewhat sticking pretty well.
That's why I went with freshly grated, because if you can pre-shredded, they put in like extra starches.
Yeah,
Hurt it in. Kind of hurting my words.
Are you alright?
That looks pretty good, actually.
You ready for this?
My problem right now is it's sitting on the very back of my tongue, so it's just teasing my throat every like 30 seconds. So now that the butter and the oil are all incorporated, got a nice low heat going, we're gonna hit this with some oregano, about a tablespoon of grated garlic, and for literally no reason, just a little bit of red pepper flake.
My tongue is on
We did
fire.
Yeah. Alright, next we'll go ahead and add our 28 ounces of tomatoes that we have blitzed in the food processor. Also going to add a teaspoon of sugar, 2 shallots or yellow onions if you got them, whatever you got. You're gonna let those just simmer in the sauce.
Yeah, what was the whoops?
Yeah, why was there a whoops? Why do you have 2 beers and I don't have any? Magic.
Do a pinch of salt in here. A little bit of beer.
Wouldn't recommend it.
Should I stir it? I'm gonna stir it. Can I stir it?
Oh, this guy thinks he's a chef now.
I think I'm doing something.
That
All right,
cheese
I'm done.
looks fantastic.
Proud of myself.
Good job, chef.
Look at that.
Good job for grading it.
I graded a C for cheese.
Man, shut your bitch ass up. I didn't ask you that a bitch ass thing. You better shut the fuck up before I knock your fuck.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add all these ghost peppers that Chris chopped up for us. Get them all incorporated. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this over to the stove over there so it can simmer for until we're done with the pizza dough. But for now, the sauce is done, the cheese is ready, and we're gonna move on to the dough. So, let's go.
That's my beer.
I'm not gonna chug it.
Oh no.
What is he don't know for?
Yeah, it'll be alright.
What did I do? Everything. Why did you say I'll be fine?
What do I have to do?
Just not fuck up. That was your one job.
I didn't do anything yet.
Alright, Chris, here's your job, buddy. I need you to take this water. I need you to get to exactly 105 degrees, please. You have water, you have this, I need you to bring it to exactly 105 degrees. I'm not kidding.
Okay, I know what to do here.
How the fuck?
I know what to do.
No, in the microwave.
What are you doing?
Use
No
friction.
microwave, you dumbass bitch!
For me, actually, I'm gonna regret it, but I swallowed a little quick.
Listen, you panic swallowed?
Making my dick hard over here. Your dick is
What?
Huh?
Oh!
10 hours.
So we have water at 105 degrees. We want you to mix this in with a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of instant dry yeast. So what we're gonna do is mix this in. You don't need to over incorporate it, just want it all to hang out together like a good time. 2 buds, 3 buds hanging out. Take some beer. And the most exciting part is now we get to wait 5 minutes.
And while we wait, here's a cat. Boop.
Should probably plug for these guys too. If you guys saw the Chicago hot dog video, Chris Stanley and Scott are in the band Feed the Geese. Check them out on Instagram. What is the handle?
We are at feedthegeese.band on Instagram. And if you want to follow us on Spotify or listen to our stuff on Spotify, I believe we're the only band called Feed the Geese. He's right. It's garbage.
Or blocks
No,
and
no,
we'll have
no,
some
no.
pizza here.
My notes.
No, it's that way the bread doesn't get fucked up. So don't do that. You spilled beer on the table. You gonna drink that? Oh.
We're gonna make some spicy pizza.
We made a pact.
No.
I have some.
You wanted to make spicy.
I have another tablespoon of the ghost pepper infused olive oil. Stir that. Stir gently. Good enough. Okay. We have about. What'd you weigh out? It was like 2 and
2 1/4.
You can do anywhere from like 2 cups to like 2 2.5. Yeah, around there. It'll all work. You'll eventually use about 2.5 total. 2 cups.
This is approximately 2 1/4 cups.
This is about a teaspoon of salt
Approximately.
and however much ghost pepper powder this is.
It's time to stop!
Go ahead and lightly mix this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna just start forming it all together and oops. Oh, I probably shouldn't have used a whisk.
Oh no, it's all clumpy.
Well, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna just try to, just
Use your hands.
get it all incorporated. Once you have it all formed together, then you can transfer onto a floured surface, which I haven't gotten ready yet. Slow down. And then you can begin kneading. Alright, gloves are on, let's get this off.
Gloves are on. Let's get this off. It's not a thing I want to hear usually.
I actually feel like, and you know what? I'm proud of you guys. I feel like you guys have had more fucking one-liners than I have in my own fucking show. So this is going to be more of a sticky dough, but once you start transferring onto a floured work surface, it'll be a lot more pliable and easy to work with. So it's sticky right now, but that's what you want.
Look at that.
I swear the doctor said that too.
All right, Stanley, flour me.
Yeah.
Oh,
Chris,
sorry, Chris is over here.
I was gonna
Yeah.
say, bro.
Yeah, Chris, come deflower Jared.
Lightly floured surface, doesn't have to be heavy.
Not that kind of
And I missed all the flour. So, you want to get it all incorporated. You're going to form the best ball that you possibly can. It's going to be a lot of kneading, a lot of fun.
Ball.
You want to do your little kneading motion. Let's do this for a little bit. I'm just going to keep on going. going. Oh, it's getting too sticky again. Butter me up. Hey, but come on, you have to admire my technique. This looks pretty fucking clean, right? I've never made a pizza in my life.
Apparently,
Sounds like that good mac and cheese.
Sound like that good mac and cheese.
I'm having flashbacks.
Oh, there we go. That's much fucking better. Somebody beer me.
NANI?
This is coming together pretty fucking well.
We all come together pretty
Everything's
well.
Alright, we got done kneading the dough. We're gonna go ahead and let this set. Also, actually tosses in a little bit of olive oil, and we'll start the assembly.
Nar.
Ain't no party like a spicy pizza party, cause a spicy pizza party gonna hurt my.
Ain't no party like a spicy pizza party, cause a spicy pizza party gonna hurt my butt. Ain't no party like a spicy pizza party, cause a spicy pizza party gonna hurt my butt.
Okay, you can do the whole tossing thing, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna start working it out into a sort of a disc. Plop it down, and we're gonna spread it out like mad. God, this is a thick pizza. We might not need this whole thing. Well, whatever. We're gonna go edge to edge. Okay, so my gloves are now off. Next up, we've got Scotty with the sauce. Generous or light, however you like your pizza. Just my beer. That's a pretty good consistency too. I'm happy with that.
Yeah, didn't somebody say something about macaroni earlier?
Just so you know, the more sauce you put on, the hotter it's gonna be.
Stop putting sauce on it. Got the cheese. I'm scared. I'm scared of.
Cheese!
Pepperoni!
Nope, that's it. Nope, that's it.
All right, folks. So everyone has a different oven or pizza oven at home. For me, my convection oven only goes up to 450. Preferably, you want it at 500. I'm gonna do 450 degrees for like 15 minutes. Yours will vary. So good luck to you. And we're gonna pop this in and see y'all in like 15 minutes.
Cheers.
All right, my dudes. So obviously the food coloring didn't work, so fuck that. Pizza is a little bit thick. Could have used half the dough. This is also like an instant dough recipe, so whatever.
It's not delivery.
It's the devil.
It's gonna be like hot temperature-wise too, so it's gonna be fun. All right, so my wife Amber is gonna play us some tunes, some somber music while we hurt ourselves for you guys. Thank you for following along. If you made this far in the video,
You know, I'm gonna be honest. We got up to this point. I'm like, you know what? I realize that now I have to eat this pizza.
okay. Cheers.
Sure.
Good luck. See you on the other side.
What the fuck did you make?
Actually, to be honest, though, like it was kind of fire pizza. Like it's actually pretty damn good.
That's literally fire pizza.
I like it.
That is really fucking good.
Mission accomplished. It hurts though.
Listen,
trying
we're
to.
eating this. This is very delicious, but this is hot.
Yeah, this is hot.
Yeah, it hurts.
Why are we doing this?
You know what really sucks?
This pizza?
We'll use the power of friendship.
This was your idea.
I love it.
That was a horrible idea.
Oh my god, that was a horrible idea. I was okay, and now I'm not.
All right, guys. On that note, that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Scott, for the brilliant idea. Thank you, Chris, for whatever you did. First video of the year. If you guys couldn't tell, I've been doing a lot more short form content lately. Expect a lot more of those with some of these longer forms sprinkled in. Obviously, having the best buds in town. Couldn't go without doing a long form video. A lot of fun. I will have the ingredients and the recipe linked down below. You can do better crust yourself, to be honest, but I'll still have it down there if you want something real quick.
Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah. Speaking of short form content, go follow me over on Instagram and TikTok over at Cooking with Capel. All the shorts go over there as well as some behind the scenes stuff. So you guys can check that out. Go follow Feed the Geese.
Check out Feed the Geese, feedthegeese.band on Instagram, Spotify, Feed the Geese.
Yeah, we suck.
Turn it off.